Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best coin counter and sorter that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the T905A Professional USD Coin Counter from Generic. This machine boasts a 5-point precision sorting system capable of accurately sorting pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, and dollar coins. Its 1,000 coin total capacity is particularly useful for businesses handling large coin volumes, such as laundromats or retail stores. The 270 coins per minute processing speed makes it faster than manual sorting, though it falls slightly behind the speed of competitors in this list. In terms of design, the T905A is compact yet durable, with a commercial-grade build that ensures longevity in high-demand environments. The smart LED display is user-friendly, offering intuitive set, batch, and report functions for seamless cash reconciliation. However, its smaller coin bin capacity, just 205 coins per denomination, may require frequent emptying during heavy usage. While the T905A delivers reliable performance for its price, its lack of advanced features, such as wrapper compatibility or multi-denomination batching, limits its versatility. It's a solid choice for small businesses or individuals who need a basic, durable coin sorter, but it may not be the best fit for those seeking cutting-edge technology or high-speed operations. Pros include its robust build and straightforward interface, while cons include its slower speed and lower bin capacity. At number 4, we have the Nadex S180 Digital Coin Counter. This compact machine is perfect for home or small business use, with a focus on simplicity and efficiency. It sorts pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters into dedicated tubes for easy wrapping. The digital display is a standout feature, showing both the total count and value for each denomination, and the machine automatically stops when coin rolls are full. The S180's lightweight design at just 4.55 pounds makes it portable and easy to store, but it sacrifices durability compared to heavier models. While it gets the job done, its hopper capacity is smaller than higher-ranked products, which might require frequent refilling during large counting sessions. Additionally, it only supports standard US coins. So if you're dealing with foreign or damaged coins, it may not suit your needs. In summary, the Nadex S180 is a great entry-level coin counter for those who need basic functionality without breaking the bank. It's ideal for casual users or small businesses with modest coin counting requirements. Pros include its user-friendly interface and automatic roll-stopping feature, while cons are its smaller capacity and reduced versatility for non-standard coins. Coming in at number 3, we have the Vivor USD Coin Counter and Sorter. As the most budget-friendly option on this list, priced at just $117.99, the Vivor packs impressive features for its cost. It boasts a 300 coins per minute sorting speed and supports all major US denominations, including pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, and dollar coins. Its hopper capacity of 2,000 coins rivals even premium models, making it a fantastic option for high-volume counting. The Vivor's LCD interface is clean and intuitive, allowing users to monitor counting progress in real time. It also includes 5 coin bins and 5 tubes for easy sorting and packaging. However, coin wrappers are not included, which might be an inconvenience for users requiring preformed rolls. Build quality is decent for the price, but it doesn't match the durability of higher-end machines. And customer reviews suggest occasional issues with accuracy. If you're looking for a solid machine on a budget, the Vivor is a great choice for personal use or small businesses. Its pros include affordability, large hopper capacity, and straightforward operation. On the downside, it lacks premium features like quick-load wrappers and advanced batching options, and its accuracy may require occasional manual verification for peace of mind. At number 2, we have the Nadex S540 Pro. This business-grade coin counter is perfect for those who need a versatile, high-performing machine. It counts and sorts all standard US denominations at a speed of 300 coins per minute. And its hopper capacity of 2,000 coins ensures uninterrupted counting for large batches. The one-touch batch setting and auto-stop feature make it easy to fill pre-formed wrappers, which are included in the box, 48 of them to be exact. Build quality is solid, with a durable design that can withstand heavy usage. The machine can sort coins into trays or coin wrappers simultaneously, making it ideal for businesses that handle high volumes of cash. However, at 14.7 by 14.1 by 11.9 inches, it's bulkier than other models on this list, which might be a consideration for those with limited space. The Nadex S540 Pro strikes a great balance between performance and convenience. Whether you're a business owner or a serious hobbyist, this is a reliable machine that delivers excellent value. Its pros are its high hopper capacity, included wrappers, and versatile sorting options. Its cons are its larger size and slightly higher weight compared to competitors. Taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Caseta C300 Professional USD Coin Counter. Designed in California, this machine is the ultimate choice for those who demand speed, accuracy, and efficiency. With a hopper capacity of 2,000 coins and a processing speed of 300 coins per minute, it matches the performance of other top-tier models. What sets it apart is its innovative quick load system, which lets you replace full rolls with new wrappers without removing the tube, a major time saver for businesses handling large volumes. The Caseta C300 also offers printing capabilities when paired with the Caseta Thermal Printer, sold separately, allowing users to generate detailed receipts for bank deposits or record keeping. The build quality is excellent, with a sturdy design that balances portability and durability. At $214.99, it's the most expensive on our list, but the advanced features and reliability justify the investment for serious users. This machine is perfect for high-volume businesses, such as banks, retail stores, or cash-intensive operations, where accuracy and efficiency are critical. Its pros include the quick load system, printing compatibility, and robust build quality. On the downside, the additional cost of the thermal printer may be a drawback for some users, and it's heavier than other options, making portability a bit more challenging. Overall, the Caseta C300 is the best coin counter for professional use, offering unmatched performance and convenience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.